shine, we do what we do. It's gonna be so special. Yeah, yeah. Another beat, Cox.
Life is such a crazy thing. It's never really what it seems. Cause first we were chilling, now I'm catching feelings. Can you tell me what this means? I'm going through my voicemail, and I'm saving every message you sent. Trying to read between the lines to see if there was something I missed. All of a sudden my vision became so clear. Everything I needed was right here before me. So pressed to let you know just how you make me feel. Never had a feeling that's so real. Control me. And I'm ready, girl, I'm ready. Don't wanna play no games. I want you exclusive. Baby, we should just do this. But the feeling's so strong. How can we go wrong? No games, I want you exclusive. There's no more excuses. The feeling's so right. I want you, girl. I need you, girl. I really love your company. Hating when you gotta leave. Another opportunity for me to say everything. So tell me if I'm bugging when you look at me like that. I wanna say something, but I don't know how you're gonna react. All of a sudden my vision became so clear. Everything I needed was right here before me. Yeah. So pressed to let you know just how you make me feel. Never had a feeling that's so real. Control me. And I'm ready, girl, I'm ready. Don't wanna play no games. I want you exclusive. Baby, we should just do this. But the feeling's so strong. How can we go wrong? No games. I want you exclusive. There's no more excuses. No more excuses. So right. I want you, girl. I need you. You knew it all along. What was going on? Let me state my claim before it's too late. I don't care if this may sound, but you need to know right now. So I might as well just come out and tell you. All of a sudden my vision became so clear. Everything I needed was right here before me. So pressed to let you know just how you make me feel. Never had a feeling that's so real. Control me, and baby, baby, baby. No games, I want you exclusive. Baby, we should just do this. The feeling's so strong. So strong. Can we go wrong? No games, I want you exclusive. There's no more excuses. The feeling's so right. I want you, girl. I need you, girl. No games, I want you exclusive. Baby, we should just do this. The feeling's so strong. So strong. Can we go wrong? I want you exclusive. There's no more excuses. The feeling's so right. I want you, girl. I need you, girl.
You ready to do this? Okay. Come on. Let's go.
This is an invasion. The evil genius Green Wave.
Okay.
Mike Shinoda.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to a fourth minor event. The countdown has begun.
That's right.
The rising tide is almost here. But for now,
Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike.
yo, let's get it going for the everyman, anybody. You gotta be ready. It's heavy when we get it rowdy. We won't apologize or even think of saying sorry. This is the way we rock. Yo, let's get it going for the everyman, anybody. You gotta be ready. It's heavy when we get it rowdy. We won't apologize or even think of saying sorry. This is the way we rock, steady over everybody. You're probably shocked, probably ready to stop this already. You probably can't hang with the way we attack it so steady. We let it rock the rover, bang the Benz, shake the Chevy till everybody feels it in the chest. Say it with me. This is the time. down. Take a look around, you're not running this. You're bluffing, you're nothing, will hit you like a ton of bricks. Hit you together with pressure you can never stand. You're soft as leather, just a featherweight, whatever man. We're not your competitors, setting you straight, you never compete. Forget it, it's already too late. Go! This is the time, just follow me. It's already heated to 100 degrees, so get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Yo, if you don't see, I'ma make you see this. If you don't know, I'ma make you believe it. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Give me a second, I'm collecting my thoughts and setting plots. Alright, y'all ready or not? I've listened and watched and waited for an opening spot. And now that I got it, nobody can pay me to stop. I'm sick of that same thing I've been forced to hear over and over again. Let me make this clear. If anybody pretends that we're nothing to fear, I solemnly swear it's over. You can tell them we're here.